Hi there, students. A raconteur. Okay, a raconteur is a person, it's a noun. It means somebody who's good at telling stories. Yeah, somebody at a dinner party who's telling lots of interesting stories. This guy's a really good raconteur. Yeah, he's well known as a raconteur. He's a person who's always telling anecdotes in a skillful way. Yeah, he's always spinning a yarn, telling stories. Yeah, so at a dinner party, it's important to have a brilliant raconteur. Okay, so a raconteur, somebody who tells stories. You definitely need a raconteur. To keep you entertained. Yeah, somebody who's good at spinning a yarn. Let's see. As to formality, raconteur. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. Let's see. I think I would use it in an informal conversation, but within a posh setting. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Let's see, the origin of raconteur comes from French raconteur, from raconter, to tell a story. Yeah, so a raconteur, I was with the formality. Yeah, in a semi-formal conversation, in a semi-formal writing, I guess you could even use it in something very formal as well. So I guess you might say that Oscar Wilde was a famous raconteur. He was a person noted for telling stories with skill and in a funny way, somebody with a lot of wit. Um, Apparently, also, you can use this as a verb, to raconteur, as in to make witty remarks or tell witty stories. But I don't think I would probably use it like that. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Raconteur.